Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. This is your buddy Crypto Prophet, and today we are going to be taking a look at the Enjin coin price chart. So we see right now it's at $2.44. In the last 24 hours, we saw a 4.68% increase. In the last week alone, we saw that 19.26% increase as well. In the last month, a $335 335%, 0.71% increase. In the last year, we see that large 3,000% increase that we see in almost every crypto in the last year. Definitely the altcoin specifically. But Enjin is doing big things for obvious reasons. Enjin is a unique coin. And we're going to take a look at what it really does, and then we're going to go over the numbers and do some predictions at the end of this video. So we're going to start with the market cap sitting at $2 billion. We have the volume in the last 24 hours, 528.3 million. The circulating supply at that 834.3 million Enjin. If we go to the website, we will actually see a few things here. So they have the next gen NFTs for everyone. It's definitely, everybody knows NFTs are a big deal right now. NFTs have been absolutely booming over the last couple of months, and I believe it'll continue to boom. I think, obviously, NFTs are maybe overshot just a tad right now. However, I think NFTs are going to be around for the next 100 plus years, and I think there's obvious reasons for that. But the products that make it easy for individuals, businesses, and brands to use non-fungible tokens of the future. Then they also have Powered by Enjin. Discover pioneering blockchain projects created by talented developers and forward-thinking companies across the world. So they also have gaming. Gaming, obviously, another category that is increasing every single day, obviously getting bigger and bigger. We have Age of Rust, we have Azura Heroes, and it goes on and on. They have a bunch of different games they are working on and releasing. And then you go down here and you see Efinity, a multi-chain highway for NFTs. Efinity is a decentralized blockchain purpose-built to redefine what NFTs are and what they can do. You can sign up right here with your email address as well, but we're going to continue down and see why Enjin. So we're changing the fundamental nature of virtual economies. It's trusted by millions. Millions of people use Enjin's products to manage, create, and trade fungible and non-fungible tokens. 1.8 million plus wallets installed, 2.1 billion created assets, 43.8 million marketplace volume in the Enjin. So a lot going on here with Enjin. I think there's a very big possibility for Enjin to do big things. We talked about March 20th being a very big day for Enjin, as they had this news about a plan to enable carbon neutral NFTs by 2040. Obviously a big deal. Anytime you're doing something like this, you're going to get a large response, and that is exactly what we got with Enjin. Enjin is doing very well in the last 24 hours, sitting at about 5% increase. In the last week alone, we saw that 19.26% increase as well. Enjin is one of those coins, like I said, it's in gaming, it's in NFTs, both very big categories and will always remain big categories in the future. A lot of you guys realize that, and there's obvious reasons to be interested in Enjin. Remember, I am not a financial advisor. I will never give you guys financial advice, so always do your own research. And I want to say, guys, we always try to keep it transparent here, so we will continue to run these videos unedited, so we can keep up to date with the most recent prices. Because obviously, if you spend 30 minutes editing, 40 minutes editing, the prices could be completely different by the time we upload. So Enjin is definitely going to have a way of the future. I think it's going to continue to be a long-term hold and a long-term potential for a large profit. If we look at the last week alone, we're seeing a lot of up and down, not really steady anything. If we go to the last month, though, you can see that it's been overall a steady increase at a larger viewpoint on the price chart. You can see that it's increased quite a large amount, and we got all the way up to $3.03, and it continues down to that $2.26 range. This is going to be one of those coins that definitely has a large future. Therefore, I think it's not a bad spot to buy. As we saw, it was at that $3.03 range. We talked about it on the live stream today as well. Enjin is definitely one of those long-term coins. I think specifically because of the NFTs and the gaming, as long as they continue on their updates and projects, I think it has a long-term future as well. And I think that this coin could continue to make big moves. I will say as well, you can join our Discord. It is in the description below this video, and you can also follow me on Twitter, so you can talk to me and the rest of the community. I think we have like 600 to 700 members in there already, so you guys can go in there, talk about crypto, and I like to, chat with you guys in there as well and read up on your guys' conversations so I can see what you guys want more videos about and more understanding on. So this is going to be a very fun coin to watch, so definitely put it on your watch list and do some research before buying. Never, buy without doing your own research and your own due diligence. So let's take a look at what we think it'll end at in March, April, and 2021 like usual. So Enjin coin, I think that the price prediction will be really relevant around that $2.75 to $3 range by the end of March. I think it will continue to increase. However, I don't know if it'll reach a new all-time high. I do believe it'll stabilize around the new all-time high, though. I think we'll be consistently increasing, kind of like you saw here earlier in the month. Consistent increases all the way up until about that $3 range, and then we will travel on to April. April is where I think we see Enjin coin do big things, just like most altcoins. I think April, we see Enjin be a $3.50 coin at the very, very least. And then at the end of 2021, I see big, big, big things. I think 2021 is really where, at the end of 2021 is really where we see Enjin come out with more games, more NFT, projects that they're working on, more, more big news like this carbon neutral idea. For that reason, I think Enjin is going to become about a $4 to $5 coin at the very least by the end of the year. That is a very, very realistic and I would say conservative price. I think Enjin, like I always tell you guys, these coins that I go over are always the ones I really truly believe in. I usually try to avoid any coins that I don't believe in and I don't think have a long-term future or are not increasing steadily over the next couple years. Enjin is definitely one of those coins I truly believe has a long-term future, will continue to increase, and because of that reason, I think $4 to $5 is a very reasonable price point for Enjin by the end of the year. Obviously, market cap and circulating supply all have to come into play there, and with that in mind, I think Enjin could potentially be much more than a $4 to $5 coin. It just depends on a bunch of different things coming out in 2021, and we will continue to keep you guys updated on the news Enjin brings us, as well as all other cryptocurrencies. So let me know in the comments if you guys have more coins you want me to take a look at. Obviously, there's so many coins, so I would try to get to everybody's, but I won't be able to do that every time. I won't be able to get to every single person's coin. There's 4,000. There's over 4,000 listed on Coinbase alone. So obviously, there's a lot of cryptocurrencies out there and altcoins to look at, but Enjin is just one of those that we will definitely come back to about daily, because it's going to be one that a lot of people have interest in because of how big this coin could go and the potential behind it, as well as just the absolute hype surrounding the Enjin coin itself. So that is going to be my price prediction for you guys today. Like I said, join me on Discord, join the community, talk with us, let us know what you guys are thinking, and then also follow me on Twitter for more information when I tweet. I haven't tweeted much yet, but it will come, I promise you, with time. So thanks again, guys, for tuning in. Hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can be notified before anybody else gets notified, and you can actually get to these videos before Jim Joe Bob finds the suggested video, and then obviously beats you to the punch on the information grab. So thanks again, guys. I'll see you in the next video.